For mutton dalcha, first add oil. Add dalchini, lavang and elaichi. Sliced onion and green chili. Add ginger garlic paste. Add salt. Turmeric. Red chili powder. Coriander powder. Curry masala. Little mutton masala. Give this a mix. Add mutton chops, half kg. Add water, 1.5 cup. Keep lid and let this cook on a medium low flame and up to 8 whistles. Keep this aside. In another pan, add little oil. Add green chilies and sliced onion. Half tablespoon. Pinch of turmeric, chili powder, little curry powder. Add bottle gourd. Keep lid and let this cook for 5 minutes on a medium flame. Switch off the flame and keep this aside. In a wide vessel, add little oil. Add cooked and mashed tuar dal. To this, add the salted bottle gourd. Tamarind water, 1 cup. Add the cooked mutton. Give this a mix. Add brinjal. This is optional. Add salt if required. Add coriander leaves, stem. Mix this. Keep lid and let this cook for 15 minutes on a medium flame. Add little coriander and this can be served now. So here the mutton dalcha is ready, and in case if you have liked this video, do subscribe to Anagha recipes. Thank you.